So guys, update. This is how it's looking, currently looking here in Tsawala, Panglao. It's a lot of changes now guys. Look oh. Look oh. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So this is impromptu again because as I said, we are lazy to upload. We are very lazy. Ano, not upload, edit pala, edit. So ayan, ang daming changes guys, but please don't copy me. Yan, daghang mga farm diri guys, guwapo. Oh, naapoy Jollibee diri guys. Yan. Jollibee. Dota na. So mag-quiet na lang po guys kay para magkuandaghan ng changes jud na parking area. So this is Tsawala. And then that corner in McDonald's, that's going to Alona. Lots of bars right there, white sand. Ayan. So mamaya kung ano, may time tayo or may network, ano natin, upload natin to. Tapos ayan, ang dami. Ay, may mga so ayan, traffic dito guys, ang daming pagbabago, a lot of changes. See, this is updated updated 2025. Unsa naman taron ma? October man na? October. Ayan. Yan po yung Henan. Yan. So if you have any question guys, just comment down below. And we are on the way to Nanay, sa katong inano namin kasi magpapalinis kami ng kuko. Ayan yung totoo pepe no. So ano siya, yung totoo pino guys, totoo pino, pizzahan siya guys. So ayan, enjoy lang kayo, enjoy. Ay, meron pala ako ipapakita sa inyo guys, and have something to show you. Dati wala pa to wala to sa nung dito ako nagstay noon, pero sila, nag-construct pa rin sila, so Napolet Lounge Bar. So ito yung sinabi ko guys na ayan, nakita nyo yan kana, ito Belmar, ayan. Nag-construct pa sila pero ang ganda niya so nice, so look pretty. So para na siyang gawin nilang nasa ibang bansa ng ganun, alam mo yun, syala na tingnan. So shout out here in Tsawala, Panglao. Pero kumusta na kaya yung nila, munisipyo, kung maganda pa rin ba or may improvement na ba? Kung hindi, kurak. So again, if you are gonna ask kung sino kasama ko, alam nyo na kung nanood kayo sa last video ko. So if you are watching my last video, you know who I'm with, diba? So ayan, impronto na naman to. Akurat gajud ni si nanay Lord, ayo sa pawan na Lord kay mato ni nanay. Dami nang pinagbago. Dari ba murag abli pa di ay close lang sila gahapon. So please don't copy me guys while what I'm doing right now. Kasi nag-iisang kamot ko guys. I'm using my left hand. May Pero what I don't like kay ano na siya, very expensive. Expensive na here in Panglao. Very dollar. Dito mapaingon ang airport. So, enjoy lang. Sige, una-una lang. Na sila bago guys, sabi ko wala pa dito. Punta dyan siya tanawag. Bohol Night Market. Diba? Guys, if you are kanang first time to visit here in Panglao, please install Maxim. Hindi po yan sponsored ha, pero gusto ko lang makatulong sa inyo. Please install Maxim. Maxim, it's a kind of like a grab food or motorbike. You can ride with the exact fare. Unlike on the street, grabe sila lain as in. Unja day madirita mga mao. Try ta diha man ako may bulalo dihang alami. Bulalo ko naman. Ay, naman Crispy King diri guys ha. Everywhere na gyud ang Crispy King guys. Crispy King. Enjoy lang guys ha. Enjoy. Bohol Sojourn. Happy ka ma? Uy, hinay man. Oh, happy di ay. Anak yun. My mom is happy. I am more than happy. More happier. And paingon ta sa kuan guys. We're going to Libaong. Libaong, that's the place where we stayed before. And of course, we are going to visit Nanay. Nanay, shout out to you, Bulabon family. The family. Dinhapon guys, ano na siya, hindi ka gawin. And then, of course, I will bring my mom to South Pang. Oceanic na ngayon. They have a different name right now. Before is South, but right now is Oceanic. So today guys, sorry, mag-enjoy. Awa guys, Iskaya. Awa, Iskaya. Ay, uwan na guys! Pero okay lang. Richly. That's our water before. Uy, nga naman eh. Hubog. What's wrong? Nawadaan tong brake. No? Brake or juggling ko no guys. Ang dami guys Alam nyo guys, if you are one of Filipino, kung Filipino kayo, pwede kayong makasave na while nag-traveling kasi kung hindi pagkain ang pinupunta nyo ha, kasi tingnan nyo naman, makatipid kayo kung sa kalendarya, pero if you are foreigner, it's okay, kasi you have a budget to eat. But I know Filipino, there's some Filipino, I'm not generalized ha, there's some Filipino can afford also mamahalin. But I'm saying ba, kung nagtipid tayo, alam nyo na, kung hindi pagkain ang pinupunta natin dito, so why not coconut pork na makakain tayo ng mga, Filipino food, diba? And we can say, ayan guys, ito yung Panglao Shores. Upat na siguro niyo. This is new guys. New, ninduta kayo. Oh, ba? Shoes, kaya shore. Oh, kana sa gilid ba? By Badzun pa. By Badzun. Hala, uwan na guys. Nagi, uwan siya guys. This Oceanic guys, they thought that they have entrance fee. But they don't have kuan guys, entrance fee. Ano siya, dati siyang South Palm. Before, the name there is South Palm. South Farm and South Palm. Merong South Farm. So, ayan. Ayan, French Bubbles Restaurant. Dumaluan Beach. Ano to? Famous din to. White Sand Beach. Yan o. Tapos tingnan nyo. Uy, tagpila. 58 ang 59. Mahal po di hapon day dire guys.